This is the symbol for writing hand, and in this video we discuss how to create this symbol in your computer. So if you are using Windows, you can open the Microsoft Word and try this. So this is the alt code, that is alt plus 9997. Okay, I'll show you how to create. For doing this, you must first go to your computer keyboard, and here you can see a number lock is written. You must click this number lock key. Now you can see that the number lock have been enabled. Now you can see here an alt key. You must press this alt key. You did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, you must type here 9997. So after typing that, you must release your finger from this alt key. So if you do like that, then you can see that we have created a symbol like this, that is the writing and symbol have been created using our computer keyboard. For more video updates like this, you can subscribe and listen online. Thank you.